Today we'll be unboxing Amkay's Mesh Nebulizer. Mesh Nebulizer is a great product in case of medication for respiratory health. This nebulizer has a great effect to treat asthma and COPD. All the required information is given on the box. As you can see, the product is ISO certified and comes with 12 months warranty. Let's open the box. Inside the box first, we get to see the main product are in white color with blue buttons, and we have 2 face masks and a USB cable and batteries. As you can see, all the accessories are here. In the mashing unit, open it from above and then put the nebulizer fluid in the machine. Then press the blue button on the frontal part of the machine. The machine started vaporizing the liquid. The given mask will be directly plugged into the frontal part of the unit, then it is ready to inhale. Do like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.